How to fix Minecraft package install issue as it conflicts with existing package. So if you want to fix Minecraft package install issue as it conflicts with existing package, then what you need to do is first you just need simply open up your settings. After opening your settings, you need to just scroll down and you need to go with the apps section. Once you're under the apps, you need to go with see all apps and you can go with search. Under search, you need to search for Google Play Services. So tap on Google Play Services, tap on storage and cache, and from here you can go and clear the cache. Once you clear the cache of Google Play Services, you need to go back and you need to again go with search. And under search, you need to search for Google Play Store. Once you've searched for Google Play Store, you need to go with storage and cache. And here also you need to go with clear cache. After that, you can go back again and you need to go with the search again. And now you need to search for package installer. You may have that option. If you don't find the option, you can go with the top right, which has that three dots. Tap on show system apps, tap on search, search for package installer. And once you find it, you can do the same thing as clear cache with that package installer. After that, you need to again go with search and you need to search for download manager. Open up your download manager. And here also you need to go with storage and cache and go with clear cache. Once you've cleared cache of all of these, then you can go and restart your device. After restarting, you need to open up your Google Play Store. After that, go with profile, which is on the top right. And from the profile, you need to just go with Play Protect. Under Play Protect, you need to go with settings, which is on the top right. And here you need to toggle the option off for improve harmful app detection. Send unknown apps to Google for better detection. So make sure that it is turned off and your problem will be fixed. That's how you can fix. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.